Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a big electric Underwood. I think this is a Model 12 electric. And it was given to us, brought to the shop and given to us. It's missing the lid. And who knows if it works. But we're going to try it. We're going to plug this in on camera and give it a on-camera try. So let's plug this guy in and see what happens on camera. So I know these Underwoods have a safety switch. I already found it. It's right here. So this has to be, so if there's a lid on here, it would have pushed the switch right here. So, okay, so I think it's engaged now. Here's the on off. And at first I thought it went up, but it twists. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh, wow. I think it's alive. The space bar is a little sticky right off the bat. But it's actually quiet and running right now. Let's take a closer look here and see if we can get this to type. Wow. Oh, did not expect this to work. How dirty it is up here. It's been sitting forever. Wow. Looks like Pike and Type style. The shift is a little sticky here too. So the shift is... Okay, I'm curious about the carriage return on this. So we got a carriage return button right here. Get a bigger view here. Okay, so... Oh, I was just going to hit the arm. No arm. Let's see what happens with the carriage return. Whoa! It worked. It hesitated at first. Let's see what happens here. Wow, that's a strong return. It just pulls it right out of my fingers. Holy smoke. Wow. This is actually working. What am I going to do with this now? So, it's got a drive here. Looks like the regular ribbon drive on other Underwoods. Not much back here. Alright, let's try the return again. It makes a weird little motion, but I guess it's alright. Wow. Just knocked some stuff over on my bench. It's so strong. Put this on one line space. Here we go. Wow. It jolts the whole bench. Oh, it's got a buffer when it's over a little bit. But when it's real close like that, it slams. But if it's over here, well, I think it's probably sticking a buffer or a cushion here. Let's look underneath what we got it on camera. I'm curious about this. Turn this off. There we go. Alright. So what we got back here? We got the motor over here. Probably the return mechanism is over here. Yeah, I can see something down there. Just a little dirty, not extremely dirty. Huh. Interesting. All right, she works. I can't believe it. But all right, I don't know how I'm gonna market this or sell this, but working Underwood Electric Model 12. Good day.